welcome back to Lovely Mommy TV. I'm Natasha. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. It's a new year and today is Wednesday. It's a weeknight and I'm getting ready to make dinner for my family. For the new year, I am determined to stick to a meal plan for each week, and tonight on the menu is Escovitch fish. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I make this quick and easy weeknight meal. Okay, what is Escovitch fish? Escovitch fish is a traditional Jamaican style of preparing fried fish. So it starts off with you frying up some fish and then dressing it with a sauce that usually has lots of sweet peppers, onions, and is vinegar based. So it's quick and easy once you get the frying done. And I'm gonna walk you through how to do that right now. Ideally, I would make this fish with a red snapper or a yellowtail, but in my freezer, all I had is mahi. So what you're looking at here is some mahi fillets, and I think it'll be just fine. Right now, I'm just poking some holes in it. I've already washed the fish with some lime and dried them with a paper towel. So I'm just poking a few holes so that the seasoning will seep through and the fish will be full of flavor from the outside all the way to the inside. For the seasonings, I'm using just a Jamaican fish seasoning and some sea salt. That's it. So I'm just gonna rub the seasoning on both sides of the fish. Okay, time to chop up these veggies. So here I have the sweet bell peppers in each color, green, red, yellow, 1 carrot, some onion and garlic, and very important, the Scotch bonnet pepper. And in here I have some thyme and a few pimento seeds. So let's get everything chopped up. Okay, now I just have a dish of flour here, and I'm going to add some of the same seasonings that I put on the fish to the flour, the fish seasoning and some salt. Okay, and now I'm just going to spread the fish in the flour. Right now, my stove is on a medium heat with the oil because we don't want the fish sitting in the flour too long, but we want the pan to become really hot. So I've turned on my stove with the oil already. And as soon as I'm done flouring up these fish, we'll put it in the pan. Okay, so here's my pan, nice and hot. And the fish that's seasoned and floured really nice. Just gonna give it a little shake. Place them in the pan. While the fish is frying, I'm just going to wash some rice to go on the side. I'm actually gonna do rice and peas. Okay, now I'm just turning the fish. And it's looking lovely. For the rice, so here's the rice that I just washed. I'm gonna turn on my stove to a medium heat, and this is a weeknight, so we're doing beans from the can. I washed them and rinsed them off. It's not Sunday dinner, so this is what we're working with tonight. And I'm going to add a can of coconut milk to that. I'm also gonna add some salt. And in here I have some thyme, pepper, and some scallion. As simple as that for tonight. Okay, back to the fish. They're ready to come out. They're nice and brown on both sides. I took the fish out, but I haven't turned off the stove over here because now we're going to add our vegetables and other seasonings, including the thyme and the pimento, the carrots. The only thing I'm going to leave out for now is the Scotch bonnet pepper, because my kids have to eat this too, so I'm gonna add that towards the end once I take out their vegetables. To this, very important, I'm also going to add some white vinegar. Some salt. Alright, looking lovely. We're just gonna let these take some time to simmer down in the oil and the vinegar mixture. Okay, we're near the finish line. The last thing to do is to take those pieces of fish on a plate and go ahead and spoon over this nice veggie, onion, garlic, carrots, sweet pepper, vinegar mixture. And don't forget the Scotch bonnet pepper, bringing the spice. We're just gonna spoon it right over the fish. And that's all you do to top it off. Okay, and there it is. A quick and easy weeknight dinner. This is Jamaican Escovitch fish. I hope you try it at home yourself. And always, please remember to like this video, check out some of my other videos, and if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching today. Have a great rest of your week.